Hello everyone, my name is MANDALA Putra. This is I am from class Electronic Engineering. This is I am reading a text of radio from definitions. Introduction to radio and its functions. Radio, as one of the information and communication media, has a number of roles and functions that are generally owned by other information and communication media, but it also has a specific role and function that is unique to radio. These roles and functions are not rigid or fixed or directly accompanying them, but can develop and can be adapted to situation and condition or with existing problems and needs and potential. This means that the role and function of radio will always be related to the situation and condition in which the radio operates. Roles are defined differently. Functions. Role means to explain or differentiate a certain position from another positions. Meanwhile, the function is to explain the things that the position does. Examples: roles in filmmaking process are producer, director, and performer. The role of a producer serves to role and function of radio. Information and communication media is a role that is owned by radio. Its function is to transmit information from the source to its user. All information and communication media have similar function, namely collecting, processing and disseminating information and communication to various parties and location, but they can play a very different role. Information that has spread can have various effects. This means that with the occurrence function of information that is widely spread, it will be able to bring up various benefits or role of radio. A word spread over the radio can have two different effects. Concurring chose to trigger social conflicts or vice versa calm and reconcile the atmosphere. These are two very different roles that a radio cause through one and the same functions, the dissemination of information. The various roles of radio that have been developed by many parties include a. The role of radio as a media of which carries out the following function: 1. Conferring to be oriented toward achieving win-win solution or win-win solution. 2. Empathize and give voice to all parties. See conflicts as a problem and be proactive for further prevention and focus on unintended impact. 3. Enforcing the truths from all sides and enforcing those who were covered up. 4. Focus on the people who bring peace and highlight peace initiative. The role of radio as a media for monitoring participatory development by the community carries out the following function: 1. Covering the implementation of a development project. 2. Collecting material or document related to development projects. 3. Hold discussion both on air and off air. The role of radio as an educational medium carries out the following function: 1. Collecting educational material is or facts, both formal and informal education. 2. Broadcast the educational facts. 3. Hold interactive events, question and answer or discussion, both on air and off. The role of radio as an information and communication media carries out the following function: 1. Doing report text to the community. 2. Collect material from outside in the community. 3. Read out news and information from other parties to the intended target party. The role of radio as an entertainment media can carry out the following function: 1. Collecting songs, fairy tales, wizard, and